A nice radical problem. Problem square root 81 plus square root 80. Now solve the problem. At first square root of here square root 81, we know square root 81 is equal to 9. Here square root 80 is equal to square root 16, same time 5. Here square root 9 plus 16 is equal to 4, square root 5. Next square root 9 is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 4, square root 5. Here square root 4 equal to 2 square. Here 5 is equal to square root 5 whole square plus here 4 2 same time 2 same time square root 5. So here a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So here square root 2 plus root 5 whole square. So here square root cancel is equal to 2 plus square root 5.